We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the web launcher spider string shooter toy. Cool gadgets, real and real silk superhero, role-play fun stuff toys by M. Mitlink. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The web launcher spider string shooter toy is designed to bring the fantasy of superhero roleplay into reality for both kids and adults. This product stands out due to its ability to repeatedly launch a string using the iconic superhero hand gesture, allowing users to feel as though they are embodying their favorite web-slinging hero. Unlike many similar toys on the market, this web launcher is mass-produced with structural optimizations and tested for material resistance to falls, making it stable, reliable, durable, and cost-efficient. The toy is manufactured by M. Mitlink and is recommended for children aged 3 years and up, but its appeal clearly extends to older children and even adults who are fans of superhero cosplay and imaginative play. The web launcher spider string shooter toy measures 6 inches by 3 inches by 1.7 inches and weighs approximately 5.6 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to handle for users of all ages. The device is manufactured in China and is available under the ACEN B0DQ45QRGT. It has received a customer rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from 47 ratings, which reflects a generally positive reception among buyers. The product is designed for ease of use, requiring only a gentle press on the reel-in switch for about 4 seconds to retract the string, followed by pressing the spring mechanism for the next launch. The effective launch distance is approximately 8 feet, which is sufficient for most indoor play scenarios and some outdoor settings as well. One of the key features that sets this web launcher apart is its versatility in play. The head of the string shooter is equipped with a magnet that allows it to adhere to iron surfaces after being launched. If the magnet is replaced with the included suction cup, the device can stick to smooth and flat surfaces such as glass, expanding the range of possible play environments and scenarios. This flexibility makes the toy suitable for a variety of activities, including cosplay, Halloween events, birthday parties, theme parties, film parties, stage shows, daily play, and more. Many reviewers have highlighted how this gadget is the perfect addition to any superhero costume, elevating the overall experience and authenticity of roleplay. In terms of construction and durability, the majority of users report that the web launcher spider string shooter toy is very well made. The materials used are robust, and the device is able to withstand frequent use and occasional drops without significant wear or breakage. One reviewer noted that their child had used the toy thousands of times without any issues, emphasizing the longevity and resilience of the product. The string itself is described as having a silky texture, which not only enhances the tactile experience, but also makes it easy to untangle in the rare event that it becomes knotted. Additionally, the toy is designed with an access panel at the bottom, allowing users to quickly and easily fix any jams or tangles that may occur during play. This thoughtful design feature minimizes downtime and frustration, ensuring that the fun can continue uninterrupted. The web launcher is powered by an internal battery that holds a charge for an extended period, enabling long sessions of play without the need for frequent recharging. The device is charged via a USB-C cord, which is a modern and convenient feature compared to toys that require disposable batteries. This not only reduces ongoing costs, but also makes the toy more environmentally friendly and user-friendly. Several reviewers have praised the long battery life and the ease of recharging, noting that the toy works straight out of the box with no assembly required. This plug-and-play functionality is particularly appreciated by parents and caregivers who want a hassle-free experience. Performance is a standout aspect of the web launcher spider string shooter toy. Users consistently report that the device works as advertised, with a strong and reliable launch mechanism that propels the string a considerable distance. The suction cup and magnet both perform well, adhering securely to their respective surfaces. The toy is easy enough for young children to operate, with some reviewers mentioning that even 4-year-olds can use it comfortably. The controls are intuitive and the device responds promptly to user input, making it accessible to a wide age range. The fun factor of this gadget is repeatedly emphasized in user feedback. Children are captivated by the ability to mimic their favorite superhero, and the toy often becomes the centerpiece of imaginative play sessions. Families report that the whole household enjoys taking turns with the web shooter, and it has proven to be a hit at gatherings and parties. The toy's appeal is not limited to children. Adults who are fans of superhero culture or cosplay also find it to be a worthwhile and enjoyable addition to their collection. The product is frequently recommended as a gift for birthdays, holidays, or as an incentive for good behavior, with many buyers noting that it exceeded their expectations in terms of entertainment value and quality. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are a few areas where the product could be improved. Some users have reported receiving items that appear to be previously used or not properly packaged, and in rare cases, the toy was broken upon arrival. These instances seem to be the exception rather than the rule, but they highlight the importance of quality control in the shipping and handling process. Most buyers who encountered these issues were able to return the product for a replacement or refund, but it is worth noting for prospective purchasers. Additionally, while the string rarely gets tangled, it can happen occasionally. Fortunately, the Easy Access panel makes resolving this issue straightforward, and most users do not consider it a significant drawback. Another minor point raised by some users is the potential for the string to become dirty or worn over time, especially with frequent use on outdoor surfaces. Regular cleaning and proper storage can help mitigate this issue, and the durability of the string itself appears to be sufficient for long-term play. The device's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to transport and store, further enhancing its practicality for families with active children. In summary, the Web Launcher Spider String Shooter toy by M.Mitlink is a well-designed and highly enjoyable gadget that successfully brings the excitement of superhero roleplay to life. Its durable construction, user-friendly operation, and versatile play options make it a standout choice for children and adults alike. The combination of a strong magnet, effective suction cup, long battery life, and easy maintenance ensures that the toy delivers consistent performance and lasting value. While there are occasional reports of packaging or quality control issues, the overall consensus is that this product is a reliable and fun addition to any toy collection or costume ensemble. If you are looking for a unique and engaging gift for a child, a fan of superheroes, or someone who enjoys imaginative play, the Web Launcher Spider String Shooter toy is highly recommended. Its ability to provide hours of entertainment, foster creativity, and encourage active play makes it a worthwhile investment. Remember to check the link in the description to purchase the product and support the channel. If you already own this web launcher, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable to the community and contributes to a better understanding of the product's real-world performance. In conclusion, the Web Launcher Spider String Shooter toy stands out as one of the coolest gadgets available for superhero fans and imaginative play enthusiasts. Its combination of quality construction, ease of use, and versatile features make it a top choice for anyone seeking to add a touch of superhero magic to their daily life. Whether for cosplay, parties, or everyday fun, this web shooter delivers on its promises and is sure to delight users of all ages. Don't forget to use the product link in the description to learn more or make a purchase, and leave your own review to help guide future buyers.